The number one reason consumers call an HVAC pro is to fix something that's broken. So you roll a truck, inspect the equipment, and discover that the broken part is something that belongs in a museum. You have to find a proper replacement, and you have to find it fast. Resideo alone has more than 4,000 active SKUs, plus 30,000 more in the archive. Wouldn't it be nice to have access to a complete catalog of active, archived, and competitive parts right at your fingertips? Ask and you shall receive. With the new Digital Parts Finder, you can search by full or partial part number and get a list of detailed results, including a product overview, specs, and additional resources. You can even share the search results with employees or suppliers for easy fulfillment. The best part is that the Digital Parts Finder works anywhere, even when you're offline or somewhere with limited service, like a basement. Visit partsfinder.resideo.com to search using the web, or click the Quick Tips link for help saving the app to your mobile device's home screen.